Hi there, my name is Cassandra Falby, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist in California. And I help couples achieve their communication and relationship goals by assisting them, with learning different concepts, tips, and tricks to support how they move forward together as a couple. Today, I just wanted to take a moment to share something that I notice when I'm working with my couples, something that I notice happens in sessions. So I thought I'd do just a quick video to talk a little bit about this particular issue that comes up. With my couples, there is this issue with the need to be right, which we also call a zero sum game, where there is this tension, this push and pull between members of the couple to prove to the other that unequivocally they are right and correct. And so, really, what I want to do today is kind of unpack this idea of what it means to be right. And so, really the thing to think about is when you are in conversation with your partner and maybe there is a disagreement, sometimes it can feel like it's a courtroom drama, right? The argument, the conflict can feel like it is, um, it's two lawyers having to kind of, prove their case. And so, what happens if we kind of think about this in kind of like a judicial framework is that it is each debate, right? That there is the trial, right? That's the setup. And that the relationship is the courtroom. That's where the drama can unfold. And for sure, there really won't be a winner in this scenario. In spite of what each person thinks, there really won't be a winner in this scenario. And so, you know, you have to think about what is the larger question here. Is it to score points? Is it to be right? Is it to get over on your partner and win? Or is it to build trust? And you have to also think about who in this scenario is actually winning when both people are frustrated and the conversation and the conflict goes on and on. So let's talk a little bit about the true cost of what it means to be right. Okay. The fact that really there's no winner, there's no trophy at all, and that this idea of winning actually disrupts and it kills loneliness. And so it really doesn't bring the couple closer together. It also drains trust. And what can happen is that one individual might, feel really great about telling their friend, oh, I had this argument with my partner and I was right. But really, it doesn't really roll out that way. Sure, you can tell your friend that you were right and chuckle with them. But what it does is it really increases distance between you and your partner. And so, really, this idea of the zero sum is really a myth. It's a lie because it's not that one of you gets to win because in that conflict both of you are actually losing. And it really pushes forward an energy that is more about litigation, and it's not really about love and connection. And so what it does is it really makes both of you move together as enemies. And that's not what we want. So, how can you move from enemies to allies? Well, first, really look at reframing the problem. Don't see it as that your partner and their views are the problem. Really look at it that it's the two of you against the problem, that you all are collaborators, right? In addition, you also want to be each other's allies. And how you do that is you want to listen to each other first and defend less, be less defensive, really kind of, as we might say, turn on your listening ears and really to really understand what your partner's trying to communicate. And this will allow the two of you to move forward and grow together and really be a team and heal as a team. and feel more unified. So that way you are more a team and not rivals. All right. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found this useful. If you have and you'd like to learn more, please look in the description. And if you'd like, you can schedule a consultation call with me to learn more about what might be possible for your relationship. You can also click subscribe down below to visit here again, so that way you can know more about some of these little kind of shares that I want to offer to couples to improve their relationships. Alrighty, take care.